Mami.
Salamat, ate. Kuya. Salamat. May magsabay na lang kayo ni ano. Ni Ami. Kasi may lugar kayo na uupuan.
Bukas, hindi pa bukas.
Pwede. Yummy? Ah, yummy?
Ano na?
Yummy? Nana? Pepsi?
Nana Pepsi. Chicken. Sige, wag ka dyan. Go up. Hi.
Hi.
What are you eating now?
Eating fried rice.
French fries? Ketchup? You know the fries. Oh, nay, hati kayo.
Okay. Okay, siya. Oh, sige pala, sige. Sige yun. Stand up. Okay.
Sige, you eat first. Sige. Sige. Hi. Busog ka? Are you full? Your teeth have germs? Huh?
Yeah, it's germs.
You eat germs?
What?
Where are you?
Chicken.
Sige. Sige. Smile ka daw. Ayaw niya. Halika na. Come on, Sige. Smile. Hey, kita ulo ka talaga. Dali na, dyan ka muna. Oh. Oh, one. Sige. Sige, smile.
Smile.
Here, look at here. Sige.
Yan, well.
Halika na.
I'm going to keep Daddy on the chicken.
Where's the chicken of Daddy?
That's gone.
Did you eat all?
Yeah, eat all.
No, di ba
Why?
you didn't eat all because you want to give it to
right
daddy?
there.
You have takeout? That's your takeout for daddy?
Yeah.
Oh, you're so kind to daddy. Daddy is so lucky to have you, son.
Why?
Because you're too kind to daddy. You always think of daddy.
Why?